Hello students, in this session we will learn advanced features of word processor 1. Okay, so what are the advanced features which are present in Microsoft Word we are going to learn. So in this lesson the points which are going to come, so that points are here. First one is format painter, then applying superscript and subscript, applying shadow effect, applying header and footer, inserting column and column break, inserting page break and line break, setting margins, setting page orientation, setting paper size, working with tabs, and at last indenting text. So these are all the points we are going to learn in this lesson. I hope you have learned some of the features in Microsoft Word in your previous classes, 3rd and 4th standard. Okay, so this lesson begins from 3rd standard. Okay, so introduction part is given in the 3rd standard, and some of the tools were introduced in 4th standard, and some more advanced features are introduced in this class. Okay, in the 5th standard. First of all, we will see introduction part of Microsoft Word. So let me open Microsoft Word first. So this is the Word window. Let me maximize. Okay. So this is the window you are going to get. If it is installed in your system, then only you are going to get. Okay, if it is not installed, then you need to install in your system, then only you can access the features. Microsoft Word is a word processor that helps you to create documents with a professional outlook. So mainly Microsoft Word is a word processor software. In the sense, this software or this application is mainly used for creating the letters, reports, notices, and all, newsletters and all. So word related means text related work can be done by using this Microsoft Word. It not only provides a facility to type and edit the text, but also offers features to enhance the overall appearance of the text. So this Microsoft Word not only gives the facility only for typing or editing the text. Okay, apart from that, we have many other features. So by using that features, we can enhance, means we can make it more attractive of our document. So document can be formatted. Formatting means we can change the appearance of that document, okay, as per our need. In the previous lesson, you have learned various basic editing and formatting tools like inserting, moving, copying, changing the font, text alignment, etc. So in this lesson, you will enhance your skills by learning some advanced features of editing and formatting. So in your previous class, some of the features here they are given, like inserting, moving and all. So if you have forgotten, no problem. So once again I am going to show that points here. Okay, so first one is inserting the text. If you want to insert the text, first place your cursor and type the document. For example, I'll type Microsoft Word is a word processor that helps you to create documents a professional outlook. Okay, so let me write one more sentence. It not only provides the facility to type and edit the text, but also offers features to enhance the overall appearance of the text. Okay, so this is inserting the text. Now I inserted the text by typing. So just I kept the cursor and just I go on type the text by using keyboard. Afterwards, changing the font. So let me show you changing the font. Select the text. In a font group of a home tab, okay, home tab, font group, you have all the font related options. To change the font, just click on font name option and select the font. Next, if you want to change the size of that font, click on that font size, then select your desired font size. Okay, Then font color, here color option is given. You can click on that color option and you can choose your own color, the color which one you want to apply. Okay, next is alignment. For all the work you need to select the text. Okay, then only that effects are applicable, otherwise that effects are not applicable for your document or for your text. Now by default it is left aligned. When you click on center align, it's left, so text aligns at the center. If you click on right align, text aligns at the right, and if you click on justify, then text aligns exactly at the left and right side. Okay, this is alignment. Then if you want to set a background for this text, you can set the background by using this option. Okay, so no color means we don't want to color anything. Next is moving. Before moving, I'll show you copying option. For copying, select the text, right click on that selected text and click on copy option, and keep your cursor where you want to paste. Then again right click and select paste option. Okay, here paste options are given, just click on paste page. You can paste as many times as you want, the text will be pasted. Okay, so this is paste option. Next, the move option. If you want to move, so then just select the text and select cut option. Okay, then you can go to another document or another application, then you can paste it. Okay, so this is simple text editor, so that's why you will not get any colors and all in a notepad. If you paste this same text in another Word document, surely text will be displayed with your formatting. So whatever the formattings you have applied, with that formatting your text will be displayed. This is moving and copying. Moving means select the text and you can cut and you can paste it, so that moves the text from its original location. Copy means it makes a duplicate of that same text, so that is copy option. Okay, so these are all the points we have learnt in our previous class. Okay, in the sense in a 4th standard. So now point is format painter. What is format painter? What is the use of format painter? Okay, so how we can use that format painter in our documents, we will learn in the next session. Thank you for watching.